Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing Twice's This Is For. I have this blue photo book from them. Let's do a quick flip through. This is the CD that comes with it. We have this packet. This mini poster of Junghyun. And this looks like a huge lyric sheet. There's also, it's like a pop-up I would have to set up of Sana. And then we have all of these photo cards. I also received this poster as a pre-order benefit. It's very huge, but if you can see, it's an image of all the girls. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.